I love Nairobi because I can get to start my day in the midst of such an uncertain time globally. Still end up in this place that's a complete paradise. When I'm in the forest, it feels like a new day in such a surreal way. It feels like I have a second chance to do everything, to even be. Feels like I have a chance. There's something about leaving our phones in the car and just getting lost in the terrain, breathing in, inhaling the fresh air, feeling all lungs, getting so connected, no matter how frazzled you are the night before. This happens so much that even our end my nights starts to shift. When I'm in the forest, there's so much vigor and the smell of all the trees, the eucalyptus, different indigenous trees, looking at the crawling plants, all the creepers, the serenity, the isolation and, beautiful hauntedness that this place has shows you that the world is still alive, that there's actual good. Nothing else can sway you from this deep conviction and belief that's created from a relationship with this place. That renewal of our own relationships with ourselves. Even if I had to pay like $200 to come get here, it's so worth it. It's like $10K in a therapy session. It's like $8K in a gym, $4K standard. It's like $3K at a salon, maybe $9 at a spa, $2K at a yoga class. I respect all these professions and all these people need money. And I also respect the fact that we all need that inspiration from nature more than ever to realign with ourselves. Built so much strength here, so much grounding. All the elements make the workouts interesting. Keep the brain stimulated, keep the mind guessing, keep the body guessing. Such an amazing feeling. I'm so happy to be part of Ozima and to be on this journey with all the people in my life and to have the opportunity to share this story and to inspire people to do this more and more. Just come connect with this place. See the life in the trees. Sometimes when you're really connected and when you're in the element, you get amazing encounters with all types of animals and creatures. What a vibe. So much negativity in my life has faded away. So much of my own negativity. Because sometimes you're so hard on yourself because you've been in environments where everyone is hard on themselves, hard on you, and it rubs off on you. And in nature, these trees and these creatures, they have life as well, and they don't have any of these prejudices at all. Nature will show you your worth. Nature in its splendor will show you your worth. Think about it. Thank you, God, for having me in this amazing land, this beautiful Kenya, this gorgeous place, this rich land, this historic place. Thank you for the blood that's running through my veins. Thank you so much. Okarura. Every time you throw a plastic can outside the window of your matatu or your car, just think about what that does to Karura. Every time you speak out a negative thought, just think about what that does to Karura. Love is what we all need, like our inner child needs to play. It doesn't matter where you are. And I wish this upon as many people as get the chance. Just make the time, create the intention. Thanks for believing in this journey, believing in yourselves, believing in us. You guys take care. Love.